C. Rajan, and today we'll be discussing about the basics of GST. First, I would like to share an experience with you. A few weeks back, me and my friends had a get-together in our favorite restaurant. We ate lunch, we had fun, and by the end, when the bill arrived, we literally had a minor attack. It was a mega GST confusion. We all have been hearing about GST for quite some while now, but most of us have no clue about what it actually is. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. Before GST, there are many taxes in India. There were excise tax, customs tax, then service tax, VAT, etc., etc. And being frank with you all, it was pretty hectic. So our government came up with a new plan of taxing, that is GST, in 2017. Let's start by discussing the three major components of GST. There is CGST, SGST, and IGST. Here, CGST stands for Central Goods and Services Tax, SGST stands for State GST, and IGST stands for Integrated GST. Let's get to know these components better with an example. Imagine I own a bookstore in Kerala, and I'm selling these books to someone in Kerala. Here, I can impose two taxes, that is CGST and SGST. Here, the SGST that I collected from the consumer goes to the state government. As I'm from Kerala, it goes to the Kerala government. And the CGST goes to the central government. Now let's say someone from outside Kerala wants to buy my book. Will I impose them CGST and SGST? No. Here, I will impose them IGST. So for any sales that takes place within the state, we have to impose CGST and SGST, and for any sales that takes place between the states, we have to impose IGST. Now here comes an important question. Who is required to collect GST and who is not required to collect GST? So if you are having a business or you are supplying goods, then the threshold limit is 40 lakhs. And if you are supplying service, the threshold limit is 20 lakhs. But it is not the same for all the states. Government has given some specialization, and there the threshold limit is different. In states like Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Puducherry and Telangana, the threshold limit is 20 lakhs for both goods and services. Whereas in Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, the threshold limit is 10 lakhs for both goods and services. But even if your business does not cross over this threshold limit, you still need to register under GST if you are providing interstate supply. Or you can also opt for voluntary registration. Now, what if you are selling your products through online? During this pandemic time, we all are binging on online shopping. It is the best place to sell and buy things. So, if you're having an online store and your business does not cross over the threshold limit, do you still have to register under GST? The answer is a big yes. When you sell your products online, this threshold limit is not applicable. Even if you make a turnover of ₹1, you still have to register under GST. I hope this video was informative to everyone. Now, if you want to have an in-depth knowledge about GST or tax, you can connect with the experts of Parpella. GST registration is very important for your business as it will avail you the benefits of seamless input tax credit. With the help of Parpella, you can put your worries away and get to know your business better. That's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!